thank you very much for joining us on a Friday afternoon. I am delighted to announce that after extensive discussions between the Fijian government, Fijian Rugby Union, the Australian Rugby Union and World Rugby, that from 2017, Fiji's second 15, the Fijian Warriors, will be competing in the Buildcorp National Rugby Championship. The Buildcorp NRC will then become a 9-team competition, with each team having a bye throughout the competition. Fiji's home games will be played in Fiji, where they will host all 8 Australian teams over a 2-year cycle. This is a very important announcement as it provides Fiji with a superb opportunity to create a high-performance pathway that is going to help keep young Fijian rugby talent in the Fijian community. And we're really pleased to be able to say that the Buildcorp NRC will be the first national domestic competition from a major sport to include a team from the Pacific Islands. In Australia, we have approximately 50,000 Australians living here who were born in Fiji. We know how much Fijians love their rugby, and we witnessed it firsthand at the Sydney Sevens event earlier in the year. We saw how rugby stopped the nation when the Fijian men's sevens team won the Olympic gold medal, and we are delighted to have a unique relationship with them as being the 2 teams that won the first 2 gold medals from the Olympic sevens events. The addition of the Fijian Warriors to the Buildcorp NRC will be received with great enthusiasm, we believe, not only in Fiji but also in Australia. And I want to make a very special thanks to World Rugby for embracing the opportunity to help support rugby in Fiji and also throughout the Pacific. Thanks also to Buildcorp for their continuing sponsorship of the National Rugby Championship, and thanks to Fox Sports for their ongoing support in providing the world's best rugby coverage. The Buildcorp NRC is now coming to the end of its 3rd year, and we're delighted with the progress we're making with the quality of the rugby this year having been absolutely outstanding. With nearly 10 tries per match, very few attempts at penalty goals and field goals, and ball in play metrics that exceed all other forms of the game, it is very clear that our law innovations are promoting the type of creative running rugby that we all enjoy watching. And it's a terrific pathway for our young talent, with players like Samu Karevi and Reece Hodge using the platform to show their wares to the national coach. Ladies and gentlemen, as I wrap up, I must say I just have a slight nervousness in the back of my mind about the quality of this championship next year and the real impact that the Fijian Warriors will make. They are certainly going to take this competition up another notch. And now it is my great pleasure